Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi. Today we learn how to make this beautiful Santa card. It's very simple and I know you will love it, but there is a surprise hidden inside it. You want to see that surprise? Okay. That's a pop-up card. Can you see this pop-up? Yes, that's a pop-up card. So it's very simple. You can write the words here and it's a very simple Santa pop-up card. So before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. Material required for this pop-up card is, we require an A5 size red sheet, green sheet, a small piece of black sheet, a rectangle basically, a square of white sheet and two small circles of similar size. So this is the material. The size of each cutout I will mention it in the description box. So let's start. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and share it with your family and friends. So the first step is, we'll keep the rest of the things aside. The first step is, we will require an A5 size sheet and we will fold it from the center to make it a card, and we will make a crease. That's our first step. So first we will make the decorations on top and then we will learn how to make it a pop-up card. So let's start. Now what we will do is, we will make the outer as in Santa. So I have this piece of black sheet which is of the size of my sheet. So that means it is almost 4 inches by it is little bit more than 1 inch. So 1 inch by 4 inch we can take it. And I have this square. I'll fold this from the center and we will put a cut. What we'll do is, we'll just measure it from here. Whatever the size of this, we will make it a little more on this side and on this side, and then we will just cut this part. We'll just cut this part with the help of a cutter. You can take the help of any elder for this. Don't do it yourself. Or what you can do is, you can just cut this piece. You can do that also. So that's your choice. So I have this piece. I will take this part and I want this black part on top. So I'll apply, we have already applied some Fevicol on the back side and we'll paste it. So that's why I want this part hollow. So this is the belt of my Santa. Now I have these two circles. So I'll paste one over here and the other one, what I'll do is, I'll cut it from the center. I'll apply some Fevicol and I'll place it on top. So the outer of our card is ready. It's a Santa. It looks like a Santa. And I told you it will be a pop-up card. But it isn't. So what we will do? We will take this green sheet. We'll keep it aside. And now we'll take this green sheet. Again, this is an A5 size sheet. We'll fold it and make a crease. After making a crease, we will be making a triangle. We'll make a shape of a triangle here. So I'm taking it for 7 inches. I'm just taking it as 7 inches. And then this depends upon you, how big you want. So I'm just making a shape of a triangle. And now with the help of a scale, we'll make some lines. You have to just make same lines with similar distance. So what I am doing is, I am taking this part, or what I have done is, this is 1 centimeter. So you can take a gap of 1 centimeter and we'll make some straight lines. Now we'll cut these lines. When we'll open it, what we'll see is something like this. Now we have to fold it on the other side. So I'm folding it on the other side with the same crease. Now what we'll do is we'll just turn it around. We'll just fold it on the other side. All these pieces we have to just fold it on the other side, and the whole card has to be the same side, and we will just paste it. Now what we'll do is we'll first paste it. Don't apply the Fevicol in the center. Just apply the Fevicol on all 4 sides. That's it. Okay, we have already pasted it only from the corners. Now I'm folding it, press it, and when we'll open it, we'll get this. You all can see this. The 3D part is here. So we all can see this 3D card is ready. That's our 3D card. I hope you all have checked our 7-day Christmas challenge. If you haven't tried it till now, do go check it out and do try them. And of course, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. Stay happy, stay safe.